In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot. Start on your HubSpot dashboard. From the main navigation, open the More menu, then choose Content and select Files. This is your central library for all uploaded assets, images, PDFs, videos, and more. To keep things tidy, create folders before you start moving files around. Click Create Folder, type a clear, descriptive name, and then click Create. A quick tip, use a naming convention that makes sense for your team, like campaign names, dates, or departments. The more consistent you are now, the easier it will be to find assets later. To edit a file, click directly on the file name to open it. In the file view, click Details. The Details panel shows everything you need to manage, such as the file name and related information. Update the name to something meaningful so it's easy to search and recognize. Take a moment to confirm the file preview looks correct. That helps catch outdated or duplicate uploads before they spread across your content. If you need to control who can see the file, look for the Actions menu and click Manage Access. Here, select the appropriate HubSpot option to match your sharing policy. Choose the visibility that aligns with your use case, internal only or shared, so sensitive assets don't end up in the wrong hands. When you're done, you can always return to file details to double check everything is set the way you want. To move files into the right folder, go back to your file list. Select the checkbox next to the file you want to move, click Actions, and choose Move. Pick the destination folder and confirm. If you're reorganizing a lot of content, it's faster to select multiple files and move them in one go. When it's time to remove a file, use the same Actions menu. Click Move to Trash, then confirm by selecting Move File to Trash. Moving to trash is a safeguard. It helps prevent accidental permanent deletion. If you're cleaning up old versions, consider renaming the current file first or archiving it in a dated folder so you have a clear history. And remember, files in use on pages or emails can break links when deleted, so verify usage before you proceed. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to files, create folders, edit file details, manage access, move items, and safely delete what you no longer need. Keep your structure consistent, review access regularly, and your HubSpot file library will stay clean, searchable, and secure.